3 a.m. Mochi is still holding the phone, still thinking about that message. You too, right? Mochi can come up with 48 tragic scenarios just from a single okay message, but can't stop scrolling the phone even though the mind is overloaded. Sound like someone you know? It's funny, really. Mochi doesn't lack brains. Mochi's brain is just being tortured by looping thoughts. But the strange thing is, turn off the phone for a few hours, Mochi stops spiraling. Why does just a light detox make Mochi calm again? Before becoming Super Mochi, Mochi used to overthink everything too. Message seen for 3 minutes. Mochi thinks they hate me. Story with no reaction. Mochi assumes I'm boring. One slightly odd sentence. Mochi analyzes it all night.
Something is definitely going on here.
The more Mochi thinks, the deeper Mochi sinks. The more Mochi ruminates, the more chaotic it gets. And it turns out, the thing that helps Mochi escape this spiral is digital detox itself. It sounds light, but it's effective like hitting the chaos off button. Hold on. You're scrolling through comments in your head right now, aren't you? That's overthinking right there. Every time Mochi overthinks, it's like being an inner detective. One like icon. Mochi imagines they're mocking me. One weird comment. Mochi thinks my life is ruined. Seeing friends out without me in the pic. Mochi concludes I'm abandoned. Mochi doesn't want it that way. Mochi is just drowning in too much information. Too many signals. Too many things to analyze. The brain is forced to think non-stop. And when overloaded, it starts fabricating scenarios itself. Simple as that. Now here's the real key point. Overthinking doesn't come from sadness or worry. It comes from the brain being overstimulated. Phone pings notifications. Dopamine. Social media jumps content. Dopamine. Messages, comments, stories. Dopamine. The brain is always tense. No space to rest. Mochi's brain is like a browser with 47 tabs open at once. Each tab, a drama. Digital detox? That's the close all tabs button. An overloaded brain starts running simulations. And that's when overthinking emerges. Digital detox is like pulling the plug on a machine running at full throttle. When the mind quiets down, the thoughts quiet down too. Look at Mochi. See a vague status. Think they're throwing shade at me. Crush views story. No reply. Mochi thinks I'm hated. Friends post pics of hanging out. Mochi assumes I'm kicked out of the group. But when the phone's off for a few hours, no more notifications, no more signals to analyze, no more drama feeding the brain, and miraculously, no more overthinking. No ingredients, the brain can't cook up drama. Digital detox isn't just stop using the phone. It's bringing the brain back to its original mode. Quiet mode, slow mode, calm mode. Reduce dopamine from screens. Increase dopamine from stillness. Like how Mochi eats too much sugary mochi filling. Get sick of it. Detox lets Mochi taste the light, original flavor again. The brain's the same. When the noise fades, it can think the right things it needs to, not random nonsense. Try a few small ways to become Super Mochi. Step 1. Every morning, spend 30 minutes screen-free. Just breathe. Just sit. Just be still. Step 2. Set a fixed hour in the day for online break. No apps, no scrolling, no notifications. When not being pulled, the mind tidies itself up. Step 3. Every night, write down what Mochi's thinking. Once written, the brain feels lighter. Overthinking drops right away. Overthinking isn't because you're weak. It's because your brain's overloaded. Digital detox gives you back control. Gentle, but powerful. Want to think less? Stop getting dragged along first. Mochi thanks you for watching this far. Like if you just realized you're overthinking right now, Mochi knew it. Remember to subscribe to become a better version together with Mochi. See you next time. Together become Super Mochi.